Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.2.14 Cost Workup Column K Description. Column K is titled Material Description or Labor Process, which is first, a structured list of the individual pieces of materials selected to be a part of the fixture. Second, a structured list of individual processes that are selected to be applied to each piece of material. The descriptions are formatted combinations of words, abbreviations, and acronyms. On the table's definitions abbreviations sheet, topic number 17 is a diagram of the cost workup sheet layout. On the table's definitions abbreviations sheet, topic number 18 is a table of worksheet categories for each worksheet format. Do not change the descriptions. The descriptions are used in formulae. There is order to the descriptions. The descriptions start with a full word. The first word is a material type or material function. All worksheet formats, except number 7, start with glass materials category. The major categories are: first, glass; second, substrate; third, substrate kick; fourth, inlay/overlay; fifth, splash; sixth, molding; seventh, ornament; eighth, hardware; ninth, frame; 10th, fabricator. Within the major categories, there is a structured format. The items in major categories are grouped in the row sequence. First, items pertaining to the top of the component or part. Second, items pertaining to the front of the component or part. Third, items pertaining to the side left of the component or part. Fourth, items pertaining to the side right of the component or part. Fifth, items pertaining to the bottom of the component or part. Sixth, items pertaining to the back of the component or part. When the sequence in the group structure does not apply, the items are listed alphabetically. For example, major categories, ornament, and hardware are listed alphabetically. Structure within subgroups that are within major groups follow the same order as the major group. That means if the subgroup item pertains to top, front, side left, side right, bottom, and back positions, then that is the sequence they are listed. Or, if the subgroup items are independent of position, then they are listed alphabetically. These format or listing rules apply throughout the application. Labor major categories consist of: first, machining, all types; second, process, outsourced; third, delaminate, a refinishing function; fourth, laminate; fifth, assemble; sixth, mount; seventh, finishing, including peel, sand, seal, spray, polish, clean. Within the major categories, the same rules that apply to materials also apply to labor with one caveat. The labor is performed only on the materials included in the cost workup. It may occur that the included materials affect the sequence of the labor processes. The labor sequence does not change the results. This example 2.2.14 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.2.15.